Here we have a 2002 model Jeep Liberty. After performing a top-end rebuild, I took off both heads on this engine. Reason being, it had overheated and it dropped a exhaust valve seat. So what we did is I had the heads rebuilt, ordered a new timing chain kit, gaskets, head gaskets, bolts for the heads, water pump thermostat, and I took this thing apart and I just finished putting it back together, and this is the final result of the engine running. It idles wonderful. No coats whatsoever. It's ready to go. Another 100,000 miles. Alrighty. I'll be giving this truck back to the customer today so they can enjoy it all over again. Alright guys.